What's up? It's Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching this quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a little bit on how to paint plastic car parts with SEM aerosol spray cans. Now, be warned, on this job, we're just doing a little quick job. We're not going to go into crazy detail, glazing, fine little small scratches on the bumper cover. It's basically a work truck, but we want to get the bumpers to look a little nicer than they do look, all right? So check this video out. I hope you learn a lot. This is just a short video on the back section of the car. I'll make another video for the front section, and you'll be able to see that too. So hope you like it, and let's check it out. We have our SEM brand bumper coater, all right? And this is a new formula where you don't need to put any adhesion promoter. Just clean it down with like lacquer thinner. The main thing is just to get it clean, and then just give it a couple of coats of this. If you want to, you could sand it down with like 600 grit or so to just, just get it, scuff it a little, or you could use one of those Scotch-Brite pads, whatever. But basically, we're gonna get this style looking bumper. As you can see, a lot of you may already know about this kind of bumper covers where if you scratch it, it'll show a nicer color underneath. It'll show the original plastic underneath. Basically, it's just surface oxidation. Scrub brush, and you just brush your bumpers down with like a degreaser kind of thing. It'll kind of come, cleaner. But to get the pro look, I mean, you probably want to clean everything up and give it a nice paint job with some new bumper cover paints. So it is perfectly okay to put regular body filler on top of hard plastic like this, as long as you finish it good, prime it, nice thick coat it, and just seal everything on, and you're going to be fine. Okay, but you also can use plastic fillers, but I've never had any problems using regular Bondo like this. So we may just put a little bit of Bondo in here. It's your choice. And we talk about both ways of doing things within the VIP club if you're interested in anything like that over at LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. But something like this, we're just going to sand it all out, probably put a new skim coat of Bondo on it, finish it, prime it lightly. We're going to go ahead, put some lacquer thinner on a rag, and just wipe all of the plastic down that we're going to paint. All right, we're going to wipe it down very, very clean, take out the wax in it, the compound, or whatever has been on the bumper cover. Notice the way I was sanding, I was going, on an angle, right, with the block, and then I came up like this. Right, keep the block straight, but also don't forget about your curves, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we're just gonna scuff in here with our finger, and then we're gonna go ahead and relay some putty right here, just one shot, you see. It came out cool, looks very, very good. A couple of scratches in here that we could have glazed, but we didn't. It's a work truck, but we wanted to make it look better than it did. So, not bad for a quickie. Didn't take too long to do. Do is wash this out now, paint it, then we're going to get some emblem adhesive glue and just glue this right back on it. And it'll look good. Okay, so we are ready to paint. We're going to go ahead and use a tack cloth right now to just wipe all the parts down, take all the lint and dust off that's kind of clinging to the plastic parts, okay? I know that we have our garage door open, but no big deal, okay? No big deal. We just want to take the dust off that's on our plastic here, if there's any. All right, it looks pretty clean to me. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you want to learn more about auto body and paint, check out learnautobodyandpaint.com right now and get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. We cover all kinds of auto body and paint repairs, and I think you'll like it. So go ahead, check that out, get your free 85-page manual. And this is actually in the VIP area and full detail. It's about an hour long for this complete bumper painting series, and we show you the fast way to do auto body repairs if you're looking to bang out a job quick, or the professional way to make you get pro results. All right, so check out learnautobodyandpaint.com, get the free book, and I'll see you soon. A lot of birds outside today. Check them out.